I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have permissions and network access, so start by opening Airpincast now. Tap to enable receiver mode and accept mic and network prompts. This lets other devices discover you. Next, check the device list and note the IP or shown name. This speeds pairing. Once done, open your casting source and look for that exact receiver name. Make sure both devices remain on the same Wi-Fi so discovery completes without timeout. Now configure Airpincast to match your source. Pick AirPlay for iOS, Miracast for compatible Android, or DLNA for media apps. You do this in Settings, change protocol, set resolution, and lower bitrate if your network is congested. Once configured, start casting from the source app and accept the incoming connection on Airpincast. You'll see a preview and playback controls. Use them to pause or adjust volume. If playback stutters, lower resolution or switch to a wired network. Finish by setting sleep and screen options so the receiver doesn't disconnect midstream. Enable stay awake for long sessions and confirm storage permission if you plan to record. Once streaming, test audio/video sync and tweak decoder or latency offset if available. If something goes wrong, first restart Airpincast and the source device, then confirm both are on the same subnet. If still failing, reboot the router. That single restart often clears discovery and firewall glitches, so casting works reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.